Now at noon, jurors evaluate testimony in the trial of whether a young girl was mentally competent when she committed a terrible crime. Happening right now, defense attorneys in the trial of Anissa Weier continue to try to convince a jury that she's not legally responsible for the Slender Man stabbing.
Now, prosecutors say Weier and Morgan Geyser stabbed a classmate 19 times in Waukesha Park to try and please the fictional character Slender Man. Pete Servakis recaps this morning's testimony.
Since Anissa Weier already pleaded guilty to her involvement in the stabbing, the defense must prove to the sequestered jury that she was mentally ill and therefore not legally responsible. In court this morning, jurors viewed sketches from Weier's notebooks referencing the fictional character Slender Man. Waukesha Police Detective Shelly Fisher testified about her interview with the victim, Peyton Leutner. The detective said the girl described how Weier and Morgan Geyser led her into a bathroom stall at a Waukesha Park on the morning of May 31st, 2014.
They came back in the same stall that Peyton was in, and then this time Anissa held Peyton's arms behind her back, and then Morgan stood in front of her and stared at her.
But the victim said the stabbing didn't happen in the stall. She said the girls went into the woods to play hide and seek. At that point, Fisher testified Leutner describing Geyser sitting on her, saying sorry, and starting to stab her. But during questions from the prosecutor, Fisher added it was Weier who proposed going into the woods to play and stood there watching as the stabbing happened. The detective testified the victim claimed that Weier was a relatively nice person unless she was hanging around with Geyser, the defense trying to prove that Anissa Weier was a troubled 12-year-old when this stabbing occurred who was led astray by her good friend. In Waukesha, Pete Servakis, today's TMJ4.
And Weier's plea deal called for 10 years in prison, although the judge could sentence her to longer if the jury finds her mentally ill. She'll be facing several years in a mental hospital. Geyser is scheduled to go on trial next month.